I know I have made a video about making withdrawals from Bamboo before, right? I mean, investors sometimes want to withdraw their money and cash out pretty much. One of the questions you might ask is how long does it take for Bamboo to pretty much send the money to you after you've made a withdrawal? Now, they might tell you they do instant withdrawal. Somebody else might tell you something else online. I don't think you should pay too much attention to that. Bamboo's withdrawals actually takes 2 to 3 days. That is for Naira. If you're withdrawing dollars, foreign currencies, it takes 5 to 7 days. I have tested this twice. On two occasions, I've tried to withdraw. I think the first time I tried to withdraw 300 and something thousand Naira, and it took a whole day for the money to come in. Like I withdrew the money today and it came the next day. So that would happen to you from time to time when you're withdrawing money from Bamboo, especially if the money is more than maybe like 30K or 50K. Now, the second time I tried this, I tried to withdraw 85,000 Naira. I did this on I think it was a Wednesday or a Thursday. The money did not come until the next day. So Bamboo's withdrawals are not instant. They have to manually really check your account and approve the withdrawal before the money gets to you. Now, if you withdrew Naira from Bamboo and the money has still not arrived for 3 whole days, then you can reach out to them within the app, or you can send them a DM on Instagram, or just send an email to their support email. If you send them a DM on Instagram, they might not respond on time. I think they respond faster when you reach out to them via the website, or the Bamboo app, not the website, the Bamboo app, and you send them an email. So that's it. Bamboo's withdrawals are not instant in most cases, especially if the money is more than 50K. It takes 2 to 3 days. When you make a withdrawal, they also send you an email about this to let you know that your withdrawal is en route, and it could take another day or two. So all of that is really spelled out sometimes. Sometimes you might be able to get the money the same day, but I haven't gotten money the same day from Bamboo in the last 1 or 2 years. The last time I made a withdrawal from Bamboo was probably before the last two withdrawals I made, probably like a year ago or 2 years ago. You guys already know that I don't withdraw money from my stocks portfolio every single time, right? You need to leave the money there for some time, and you'll be able to grow your wealth. Don't forget to check out the other videos I have on this playlist, and of course you can ask me questions about investing on Bamboo as well. I'll see you guys. Bye.